Welcome to this tutorial on CloudSpend's Cost Allocation Report. The Cost Allocation Report tracks your entire multi-cloud spend, starting from your overall cost across all providers. It then splits cleanly by cloud account, drills down into specific linked accounts, follows the geography right down to the region, and traces every single dollar back to the exact service. To get started, head over to the sidebar on the left, hit Reports, and jump into Cost Allocation. You'll see a list of reports already set up, but let's look at how to build a custom one from scratch. Click Add Allocation. First, give it a name. We'll go with Zilker here. Now, just select the accounts you want to track. Since CloudSpend handles multi-cloud, you can mix and match AWS, Azure, and GCP accounts in the same view. Once that's set, hit Next. This is the important part, the allocation level. You're basically deciding the order of the story. If you want to see the cloud provider first, then the account, just drag and drop them into that order. It makes the data way more intuitive to read later on. Hit Submit when you're happy with it. Your new report will show up in the dashboard. It might take a few minutes to process, but once it's ready, you can jump right in. Let's open the Zilker allocation report. At the very top, the overall cost gives you a high-level macro view of your total cloud expenditure across all platforms. Beneath your overall spend, you can analyze expenses by integrated account name and drill further down into individual linked account names. Expenses are then mapped by region to help you optimize resource placement and finally broken down by individual service, so you know exactly which cloud tools are driving your costs. You can adjust the time frame and set the date range as you need. Let's set it from Jan 2026 to April 2026. You can filter and search for your required account details and view them in the allocation dashboard. Click Reset to reset your selections and go back to the original view at any time. You can also customize your visual workspace. Toggle easily between a vertical tree diagram or a horizontal flow to view your infrastructure in the way that makes the most sense to you. Additionally, you can dive deeper into the spending details of individual accounts by clicking on any cost allocation level. This will open a right panel where you can view an overview section which gives a summary of the selected account's cloud spending. As you scroll down, you gain visibility into anomaly counts to catch sudden cost spikes, a percentage split up of child accounts, and a list of your top resources, allowing you to pinpoint exact cost drivers. Click Schedule Report at the top right corner to schedule your cost allocation report. Click Share to share your report in PDF format or through email. If you prefer working with classic spreadsheets, you can transition your entire visual graph into an interactive grid with a single click. The table view retains the exact same structural hierarchy. Expand any row to seamlessly drill down from the macro level all the way to localized regional service costs. And that's pretty much it. Log in now, set up your first custom allocation, and start driving a more cost-efficient future for your organization today. Thank you.